Hey, what's up guys, Roger here, and today's video will be an introduction to my new series. This series will be called How to Make Your Own Roblox Game series. And throughout the series we will learn about things like CFrames, positioning, tweening, and so on, as well as how to make simple UIs and stuff like that. I will be providing the game right here in the description without any scripts and UIs. And throughout the series we're gonna be making it actually a game and make things move and interact. The game will be basically a sphere that will have to dodge cylinders and try to survive for as long as possible. So basically it's an infinite runner. All in all, I hope you guys have fun in this series. I hope you learn a lot. If you have never scripted before, please watch my beginner scripting series. You will be learning about things like functions, if then else, loops, and so on, and we will be using those in this series. I will be leaving a link in the description, and I hope you guys have fun. Bye.